What's going on, YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in this video, guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know, but we did a little bit of a garbage haul. So because where we're living, there's a big garbage day in the spring, so we went throughout our whole area and we found some gold. So stay tuned, guys. So now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We run the Thrift Store Gold account. So we do a lot of thrifting, a lot of retail arbitrage, a lot of hauls. So go check out all of our videos. We got over 100 videos for you guys to go watch, so definitely check them all out.
Yes.
So like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know a little bit about this, but we did a garbage haul. So we have so much stuff to show you guys. We don't know any of the prices yet, so
besides one book.
Yeah, besides one book, we know a price, but we're gonna be making an updated video to this because we just really wanted to show you guys, and there's so much that we literally can't even get all the prices for all of it just because it would take us 2 weeks. So first we were driving down the road and I saw this big garbage bag with the words stuffed animals on it. So right then and there I was like, should I go with it? Are they bad stuffed animals? Are they good stuffed animals? I just went with it because honestly, we could have just put it right out of our trash, or we could have went and donated it. So we went with it, and so the garbage bag was gross, so we threw that out. So we got all the stuffed animals right here. We're gonna pull them all out. There was a lot in this bag, and a lot of good ones too. So.
Oh, one's a little hard.
Okay, so we'll start with this little one.
He's a little creepy. Don't
know what it is or anything. If anything, we'll probably just end up donating this back to Savers.
No,
Finn. No. Finn just went after that.
He thinks it's his.
We got this elephant in here.
It's from Kohl's Cares.
Kohl's Cares, so.
We have a Clifford from that, so maybe we can lock them together.
Oh yeah, we do. So yeah, we'll bundle those two, so that's cool.
We have a Tickle Me Elmo.
A Tickle Me Elmo. Not sure if it works.
We have to put batteries in it and see if he still giggles, but
that's really cool though. Yeah, because you just open the back like this. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys ever want to find a Tickle Me Elmo, all you do is just go in the back, undo the Velcro, and then you just
it's so weird.
Hit play. How do you know if
it probably doesn't have batteries in it, or it's dead, I feel. I don't know. Don't shake it.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
That thing's gonna come to life while we're sleeping.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on off. Hopefully, if it doesn't even work, we'll find out how much it actually does sell for, just the parts maybe. We'll do these. We got two really good things that we're gonna do last. We're gonna show you guys last. So then we got this.
We have a few Build-A-Bears.
A Build-A-Bear. This one says Happy Birthday.
That one's not one, but this one is.
So two Build-A-Bears.
Isn't this Mellow? Oh
yeah, we have this same Build-A-Bear. So these two Build-A-Bears.
Wow, I probably just sounded like a 4-year-old child. Isn't this Mellow?
I'll play the replay on that.
No.
Build-A-Bears.
Isn't this Mellow? We got a slipper, just one.
Yeah, honey bunny slipper. I don't know. Like the first thing, this thing's pretty trash. Finn can probably actually just play with that one.
That's gross. What do they have boards?
Finn, stop.
This one, I don't know if it was supposed to have clothes or not, but this is Trolls, and it has tags on it, so I'm assuming not, but it's new with tags.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. We found.
Oh, it's a Build-A-Bear.
It's another Build-A-Bear?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I really hope that replay is funny.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it even says one sound on it. I didn't even.
And then we got this Panda Bear. It's got new with tags. It's actually from Kohl's and it's about $5. So hopefully that resells.
Okay.
Just let it go, yeah.
I think that one's from Kohl's too.
Oh yeah, another Kohl's. So that's pretty cool. We got a polar bear and a panda bear that we could lot together.
Little known fact about me, I love panda bears, so
yeah,
I might keep that.
And then this giraffe, this is kind of cool. Oh, there's another Cole's
I was gonna say there's another Cole's Cares.
So we can lot this with the Clifford and the other one. That's
well,
pretty...
we should, do you wanna know what we should do? We should do the elephant and the giraffe.
Yeah.
And then the 2 bears and then just leave Clifford.
Yeah.
Because those are like similar animals, I feel.
That's pretty cool though, because we did not really go through that bag yet. We just ripped them all out because the bag was really gross.
It was gross.
And then these were what we were really excited for, so I'll give one to you.
I want the other one. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
We're just gonna raise them up. And yeah. So you have to explain because I don't even know these.
Alright, so these are Frozen dolls.
We're just gonna come on the table.
Anna and Elsa, but they're brand new with tags.
They are literally like perfect.
It says it's a pillow, so I mean, I guess I could see it because it's so big, but that's
soft.
So awesome. We could lot them together and try to sell them separately, but Anna and Elsa, we've had good luck with them. We've actually found other toys. Oh, we're not even in the shot. Alright, I'll redo that.
Okay.
So Anna and Elsa, we've had really good luck with. We found other toys at Walmart on clearance and stuff.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, but people in the United Kingdom can't get a lot of these Frozen dolls or even like some of the Disney stuff. And that's actually, we had 10 offers.
Let's go back to the couch.
10 offers from people in the United Kingdom until someone finally actually paid the full price for them. So our tip is look out for these Frozen dolls or any kind of Disney dolls because a lot of times people in the UK can't get them.
Yeah. But so these were definitely really cool to find.
Yes. Brand
new with tags. Like I said, we got 4 or 5 stuffed animals brand new with tags.
Should we list them used because they were in the garbage?
I feel like it should be used but with tags, you know?
Yeah.
Not brand new with tags, but new with tags, or used with tags.
Yeah.
So it's like so the collectors know, okay, so it's not destroyed.
Yeah.
So then, that was all the stuffed animals we found, and then we were driving by another house, and Kristina found a big bin full of baby stuff. And I was like, okay, and she's like, we have to get it, baby stuff sells. So like I said, I didn't say no.
No, you did not.
So here's this. Oh, I just wait for that.
Okay.
So this was the bin. I don't know if you guys would pick it up. Maybe you guys wouldn't. We did.
You probably wouldn't, but I forced him to get it.
So this was in the box.
Cool.
It's like a little...
You make your own like apple juices or apple sauces and like freshly squeezed fruit stuffs for babies to eat out of. That's all new in the package too.
A couple brand new binkies, and then like this is like a milk warmer type thing.
A bottle warmer.
And we haven't plugged it in yet, but almost positive it works.
Almost positive.
Literally, you guys can't really see, hard to show the camera, but just a bag full of like bottles and binkies and
baby toys or baby like supplies, like little binkies like that.
Sippy cups galore.
It's really cool actually.
Yeah.
If I had a child, I'd be living.
And then there was like one of those hanging things.
Baby mobile.
Yeah, a baby mobile. So that's really cool. We'd have to probably put it together to get the pictures going.
But yeah.
And then a bunch of spoons, plastic spoons, and some bags.
We might just donate that to like a soup pantry or something, so they can use that. Oh no! Oh, it goes back together.
And then in here, it was like this little dish with like a spoon.
It's a little spreader, a dip bowl and spreader set.
Yeah. So the price tag on it says like $2, so that's really nothing. But I mean, we got it for free. This is a bath rug, was in here as well. So if it's brand new, so if it doesn't sell or anything, then we'll probably just use it.
Another binky.
Another binky. Kind of some garbage. What is this?
Oh, it's a. I don't know if you put golf balls on it, but it's something. I mean, obviously it says for golf, but we'll have to work that out.
Let me come around.
Look that up, I mean.
If you guys know what this is,
we don't play golf, so
let me know. And let me know if it's worth any money, because I have no clue what it could possibly go to.
But anyways,
stand on. don't know. That's very weird. So
we found more in this.
Yeah, there was more in this because it's empty now. But when we were going through it, we found this big old thing.
Turkey roaster.
So this is like a turkey roaster, a really nice brand.
He's laughed.
Just a nice turkey roaster. It's even got the middle grate. Sorry I'm making all this noise.
And then we
found these in here as well.
I'm keeping that for my plants. He doesn't know that yet though.
So this is just a nice dish.
It's like a huge serving dish.
So this one's really cool colors. There's no brand on this one, but definitely cool colors.
This is like 10 pounds, not really, but it's a huge platter. This is definitely, they must have been throwing out Thanksgiving stuff.
Yeah, seriously.
The turkey roaster, the big thing, that would definitely be like a turkey tray.
And then,
the gold.
This was the gold in this box. Ugh. We found a whole set of Pyrex dishes.
All of them in perfect condition.
Yeah, the Pyrex bowls.
Yes.
Literally, we got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's the set. It comes in a set of 4.
Set of 4. All. Let me come around. Show us the camera. Look at this.
Take this.
All 4 of these.
No cracks, nothing.
No cracks, all clean.
Although we're probably gonna keep those ourselves.
Probably gonna keep them for a bit, but with stuff like this, I mean, if we keep it clean and we don't crack it, there's still resale value in this after we get our use out of it. So that's what's even really cool. And that we got it for free. We're not investing any money into it, so we can sit on it.
Do you know how much those Pyrex dishes are by
They're
themselves?
so expensive.
They're expensive. And to get them for free literally blew my mind. In a pile like that!
So that was garbage. That was the second thing that we grabbed.
They had 2 other buckets there, which makes me like...
Yeah, we should have stayed and grabbed more, but
yeah.
We didn't really want to.
We didn't want to look like scavengers.
And so then the last thing that we grabbed, this was where we'll probably honestly find the most profit, is, oh gosh, this big box of books. Look at this. Full of books. We got Steve Jobs.
The whole collection of Twilight.
I
don't know if that's
This is James Patterson. The Heart, Emily Griffin. We did look up this book. This was the one book that we looked up so far on Amazon. And brand new, it's selling for like $120. And if you guys look to me, this looks pretty brand new. It doesn't even really open yet. It's still got that hard like feel to it. There's no crease in any pages. This is pretty much brand new. There's no writing in it whatsoever. You can clearly see the front page. Someone was supposed to write in it my name. Nobody wrote in it. This is crazy. So this book is probably almost $100 we could do on Amazon. And then just so many other more books like...
Sorry, I'm trying to find a good one.
There we go down. So, yeah, that was pretty much our haul. This was pretty crazy. We're definitely going to probably find some bookmarks or stuff like that and have to throw it out. But we're going to be listing all of these on Amazon. Like, we got Marley and Me. The Believe It or Not for the school editions. Those are kind of cool. Those might sell.
There's
Scholastic.
lots of Nicholas Sparks books in here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and what your mom was talking about, these Nancy Drew books.
Yeah, Nancy Drew. If you guys ever heard of those, these are Nancy Drew books in pretty much mint condition. These will go for hopefully a good $1 or $2 on Amazon or eBay. There was this ceramic dog in the box as well.
Let's see.
Okay, so my camera just died, so we're gonna really quickly film this before it dies out again. So we were really shocked to find all this stuff. We're gonna make an updated video about all the profit that we can make from this, because we haven't even, like we said, we haven't even looked it up yet. We've just been so shocked that we found all this. So this was our first time actually even really going through it all. Like I said, we didn't even know we had 39 books.
Camera's gonna die.
So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this haul. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Go crush it with your thrifting or your eBay or however, whatever you guys do to make money. Go crush it, guys.
Yes.
Peace. I'm gonna come to you.